Hello everyone, I'm Vimala, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies from JJ College of Engineering and Technology, Trichy. Now let's see to discuss the topics on performance appraisal under the course of Human Resource Management. Now, what is meant by performance appraisal? Performance appraisal is a systematic process to evaluate the employee performance over a specific period and to identify the strength area, employee achievements, goal setting, and to guide decisions to promotion, demotions, etc. Simply, we have to be say what is meant by performance appraisal. So, individual contribution with business goals. And next to see needs of performance evaluation. First to provide a review of past work performance and to create the opportunity to discuss professional development goals and objectives and to align individual goals with organization goals and also to identify the training and development of needs and promotions payoff and to provide a feedback etc. These are the needs for performance evaluations. And next, purpose of performance appraisals. First one, to review the performance of evaluations of employees and to judge the gap between actual and desired performance. How we have to be analyze the gap between actual and desired performance. In desired performance means nothing but standard performance. And we execute. After executions, we have to be get some output. That one is for actual performance. We have to be compare it for standard and actual performance. Suppose any deviation will be happen is that one is for gap analysis. So how we have to be fill that gap analysis? We have to be take some remedies and corrective actions will be necessary means we have to be taken at this part itself and to diagnose the training and development needs of the futures and to assist HR decisions like promotion, transfer, etc. and to provide clarity of expectation and responsibilities of the function to be performed by the employees. So, an employee to reduce the grievances of organizations and to strengthen the relationship between relationship and communication between superior and subordinates, and also for managers and employees or employers to employees. Next, let's say objectives of performance appraisal. Here, four objectives we have to be see. First one, work-related objectives and work-related objectives to improve the productivity and efficiencies and to measure the goals that help to evaluate the employee effectiveness and contribution of organization success. And second one is the career development objectives. In career development objectives, to determine the career potential and to plan for career goals. That is to enhance the each and every employee's skill and knowledge for future role and responsibilities. For example, to enhance the skills, skill enhancement, mentorship, career planning, soft skill. So these are the things will be needed. And next, objectives of communications. Here to clearly establish step by step what are the goals will be planned to execute and to provide counseling and job satisfaction through open discussion and each and every employee know where they are stand within the organization in terms of their performance. And last one is the administrative objectives. Here, first one, promotion or demotion. Promotion is nothing but the, for example, assistant manager to senior managers. This one step forward, we have to be plan. And demotion is one step backward. Suppose our performance was not well means, so automatically the employee performance will be down. And second one's allocating incentives. Here, how we have to be allocate the incentive means here I have to be tell two methods will be followed from here. One is traditional method and another one is modern method. In traditional method, this is one of the easiest way to calculate for each and every employee performance. First one is the rating scale method, checklist method, ranking method, and EC method. In rating scale method and checklist method, this is the easiest way and easiest and widely used to analyze the employee performance. And ranking method is the give best to worst performance for overall. And last one is the easy method to narrate and describing the employee's strength and weakness. And next in modern method, management based objectives means to set the goal between manager and employee based on achievement of goals. And 360-degree methods also here we have to be used. That is to collect the superior and peers and subordinates. For example, in organization, how we have to be allocate the incentives and how we have to be analyze the employee performance means PCOR. PC is nothing but project, challenge, overcome, and R is nothing but result. In project means in organization, they are allocating some work to each and every individual employee that based on that only they have to be analysis. And second one, challenges in the employee, what are the struggles and what are the problem will be faced. And third one, how we have to overcome and how we have to overcome to reach the target. So this is for PCOR, project, challenge and overcome result analysis. And also in another way to analyze the appraisal cycle also, we have to be analyst for employee. First one, planning, monitoring, reviewing, and feedback. In planning, clearly we have to be set the goals. And monitoring, we have to be observe for each and every steps, and we have to be measured. We have to be analysis for each and every individual performance. And reviewing. So all the things we have to be planned, we have to be execute or not. And last one, we have to be collect the feedback. So these are the way we have to be analysis for each and every employee in the organization. So based on that only we have to be use some allocate the resources, allocate the incentives or promotions. Some other things will be planned for our organization. And last one is the transfer or termination. Transfer is nothing but a job rotation. Similarly, job is same, but position that a place position is same. Place only changes. Some other places we have to be do the same job. And termination means our performance is not well means the management automatically terminate the employee. Next, what are the process of performance appraisal? We have to be discussed one by one. First one is the develop performance standard. Here we have to be analyze the performance standard only on position, not for individual. And to describe the fully satisfactory performance once the employee get trained or not. And next one is the goal setting. The objectives must be set in specific, performance oriented, and also it must be realistic and also for observable. And third one is the data collection. We have to be collect the data from various sources, from personal observation, from monitoring or documentations, and based on the daily reports and feedbacks from both internal and external, and periodic discussion with the employees. And next, performance appraisal interview. In performance appraisal interview, we have to be see the past performance for each and every employee. And goal setting. Here we have to be used for SMART objectives. SMART objectives is nothing but specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. All the things will be covered from here. And third one is the build engagement. So to motivate, to align the employee with organization goals and to know and thoroughly maintain the record for each and every employee. This one is useful for each and every employee performance appraisal form. And next, what are the guidelines for conducting appraisal interview? First, to recognize the employee accomplishment and contribution to the organizations and to suggest specific developmental activities suitable to each employee needs, and employee fully understand your appraisal of their performance and to discuss the future as well as the past and plan with the specific changes in performance or specific developmental activities and future improvement oriented. Next, future goals and objectives. At the end of that performance appraisal interview report, the employer should allow some time to create developmental plan, and also for both employer and the employee should agree on the steps to be taken to achieve the target and also to give the benchmark, that is to give the best performance output. Next, follow up. We have to be follow. Frequently, we follow for employer and also for employee. We learn about the strength and weakness and how employer should prefer the job to be done. And performance evaluation report should contain what are the job standard, what are the policies and procedures, and what are the rules and regulations, and what are the how we establish the goals, objectives, and expectations, satisfaction levels. All the things will be noted to maintain the performance evaluation report. And next, rewarding performance. And rewarding performance means to provide incentives and recognitions of employee for the performance. Its contributions for some missions. Here we follow for 5 levels of performance rewarding. And first one is the unsatisfactory, and second one is the minimally successful. These two levels are ineligible for any performance recognitions. And third one is the competent. Competent is nothing but eligible for awards such as monetary and non-monetary or any other appropriate recognition in terms of cash or in terms of medals like that. And fourth one is the exceed expectations. It's only individual employee eligible for cash award up to 3% of base pay, that is non-monetary award or any other appropriate equivalent recognitions. And last level is the outstanding performance. The employee give a whole output and give the best performance means it's the employee eligible for up to 5% of base pay award or any other appropriate equivalent recognition. Additionally, may be eligible for to increase the salary up to 5% from the HR fund or as per organization norms. And next, performance appraisal in practices. How the performance appraisals. So, and also we have to be review for each and every employee performance. First one is to highlight the each and every employee achievement. When the employee appraisals for the organizations taken before 3 to 6 months means to improve the employee skills and knowledges. Skills and knowledges. Additionally, they have to be added some other even some programs, some other organized. Some things will be employee has to be do to improve that employee performance and analyze the target for organization business goals and also for individual goals. So these are the main things to review the employee performance. It will reflect it from year wise. It will reflect it for the employee appraisal form. In employee appraisal form, we have to be, for example, first the employee will be dedicated and proper communication. Punctuality will be followed, and and they have to be updated from knowledge, technologies, and personal development. The person will initiate it from each and everything, and the employee will be smart workers, and the employee are easy to adapt from any work and easy to communicate from any others. All the things, these are the criteria basis we have to be analysis for employee performance. Finally, each and every employee required to plan for organization goals and also improve the individual goals. These are the point is most important to focus for the each and every employees. Thank you. If you have any queries, to give the following mail ID. Thank you.